Like big yeast, and I cannot lie. Yep, I am rolling with that. Yeast rolls. Blooming yeast. First, make sure no cleaner residue is in our container. Rinse well with filtered water. Add sugar to water. Heat to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. If you go over, add some flour. If your yeast is chilled, a little warmer will be fine. Set aside for 10 minutes-ish. Combine and heat up our other liquids. We want our butter completely melted and lukewarm. If you are not getting a good head on your yeast slurry, say your bag is a year out of date, add a little more yeast. Whisk and combine all of our ingredients, other than the flour. Switch to hook. Slowly add in our flour. Here I use All-Purp Golden Mill Flour, not a sponsor. On a KitchenAid, it's Speed 2. After it starts to come together, scrape the bowl. So happy together. Few more minutes and do some hand folds. Mix for 5 more minutes, hand fold, then a few more minutes of kneading. You can do the pinchy, stretchy, see-through test if you like, but I have never needed to. Need? Oil container and cover with a damp cloth. Allow the dough to double in size at approximately 2 hours. Flatten. You can divide into 20 good-sized rolls. I did big buns and rolls. Cover with a damp cloth for about an hour. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Top with your glaze of choice. Bake until golden brown, about 25 minutes. Squish, squish, poke, poke. Fluffy, yeasty goodness.